Tapio's MachineBoard app allows business owners to check in on the status of their machines without having to leave their desk. Here, our business owner checks in on a status update of a machine.
Hey Tim, you haven't done a backup in 91 days, but aren't you worried a little bit? Alright, take care of it.
Tapio also allows production managers to keep a close eye on the status of machines. Here, our production manager gets an alert that a door is open on an edge bander and goes to investigate. Tapio also provides detailed maintenance updates. Here, our maintenance manager sees information that wouldn't normally be available away from the machine. Throughout production and throughout the workday, MachineBoard provides detailed updates on machine status. From the business owner to the machine operator, everyone can take away important machine data thanks to MachineBoard from Tapio.